Imagine you're working on a Kotlin project and suddenly run into a problem. You notice that when an exception is thrown in your code, the line numbers in the stack trace don't seem to match up with the actual code. This can be quite confusing and frustrating, especially when trying to debug and fix issues in your program. So, what's causing this problem, and is there a solution? In this case, the issue stems from the way inline functions are handled in Kotlin. When you call an inline function, its code gets merged directly into your code. However, when exceptions are thrown, the JVM doesn't accurately display the line numbers from the inline function, resulting in mismatched line numbers and stack traces. The Kotlin developers try to address this by using the source_debug extension attribute, but unfortunately, the JVM doesn't consider this when generating stack traces, leading to the incorrect line numbers. Now, let's delve into the solution. Some tools, like IntelliJ, can interpret the stack trace correctly despite the wrong line numbers. These tools are able to navigate through the code and provide a more accurate representation of where the errors occurred. It's a workaround that can help you pinpoint issues more effectively and make the debugging process smoother. In summary, the incorrect line numbers and stack traces when using inline functions in Kotlin code can be a frustrating issue. While there isn't a direct fix for this problem, leveraging tools like IntelliJ can help you work around it and still troubleshoot your code effectively. Next time you encounter this issue, remember to rely on these tools to make your debugging experience a bit easier. And with that, we've covered the problem and solution. Happy coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. After all, debugging can be quite the roller coaster ride.